Very good morning, all of my dear students, and welcome again to another class of grammar. As we have discussed that this week or the maybe the next week we are going through grammar because some weeks we have been traveling through literature. So let's have some change of the taste, okay? So today I'm gonna give you some examples of voice change. Last day I discussed present tense and the four parts of the present tense, that is present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Okay, that was the tense. Now I would like to add with that past indefinite. What is that? Past indefinite, that work which was done or which had been done, which was completed in the past. Subject plus main verb 2. The formation is subject plus main verb 2 plus object plus rest. Right? Subject plus main verb 2 plus object plus rest. Past indefinite tense. Okay. इफ़ यू कम ऑन पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस आपको देखना है वहाँ पर रहेगा सब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज और वेयर प्लस मेन वर्ब 1 प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस रेस्ट. उस तरीके से आप अगर पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में आते हैं तो वहाँ पर देयर आर टू इंसिडेंट्स इन पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. देयर आर टू इंसिडेंट्स. One is called first incident, another is called second incident. In the first incident, the formation will be subject plus had plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest. Then you have to add before or after. Now, for second incident, you have to write subject plus main verb 2 plus object plus rest. This is something different tense. Let me explain you this tense as past perfect tense is a combination of the two incidents. One incident happened earlier and the another incident would happen later on. So let me give you some example to make you realize the matter. Okay, but I forgot two past indefinite and past continuous example. I will just give you later on. Let me go through the past perfect tense. Look at the examples. The examples are completely clear in the past perfect tense. There are two incidents. Suppose the patient died before the doctor had come. Before the doctor came, the patient had died before the doctor had come. There are two incidents. The patient had died. The first incident should be subject plus had plus main verb 3. I have told you. Subject plus had plus main verb 3. The patient had died before the doctor came. Second incident would be subject plus main verb 2. So in this example, it is clear that the first incident would be past perfect tense had plus main verb 3, and the second incident would be past indefinite subject plus main verb 2. Here I think, okay? But there are some examples where you need to use after instead of before. What should be there? This example, the patient died after the doctor had come, or the doctor came after the patient had died. When you are using after, just change the statements. The first one should be transformed into the second space and the second one should be taken in the first place. Nothing after. You have to determine which was the first incident and which was the second incident. If you determine it, then it's sure that you can make it. Subject plus had plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest, it is for the first incident. Subject plus main verb 2 plus object plus rest, it is for the second incident. There are ample examples. You can go through the examples. Number 1. Okay, let me come back to the past continuous tense. What was that? Suppose the work was going on. Yesterday it was raining heavily, comma, I could not go out of my room. Yesterday it was raining heavily. I told you subject plus was or were plus main verb 1 plus ing. This is past continuous tense. Subject plus was or were plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. Okay. They were talking so loudly beside my study room yesterday night or 2 days ago. Anything it happened, right? And past indefinite, what is that? Natural thing which has already been happened. I crossed a lady on my way to school. I met Mr. Jagannath, comma, our mathematics teacher yesterday. So in this way there are a lot of examples you can follow through or you can make it, but in the comments box I haven't seen anybody, but very few are replying. I want you all to reply regarding the grammar, because if grammar is not being corrected by you, is not being controlled, I can assure you that you are going to be into deep trouble. So take care of this, okay? Past perfect tense is the combination of the two tenses. One is the first incident, another is second incident, two incidents. First incident should be in past perfect tense, subject plus had plus main verb 3, and the other is subject plus main verb 2 plus object plus rest, right? If you are using after, then change the formation. Had should be the sentence with past perfect tense should be taken after, and the sentence with the past indefinite tense should be taken before. Okay, but if you are using before, take the past perfect tense first and then use the past indefinite. This is the format. Very simple, I think. I hope you have understood. And next, past perfect continuous. It is very easy. Past perfect continuous. Subject plus had plus been plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. What is that? I had been traveling through Himachal Pradesh for 10 days 2 years back. A remote incident, दूरवर्ती घटना जो दूर तक बहुत दिन पहले हुआ है और उसमें जो है कि एक कार्य चलता रहा है. I had been traveling in Himachal Pradesh for 10 days. They had been recalling their memory about their childhood. So this is the tense. And yesterday I did not upload any video because of some noise trouble over here, which you have just heard. That sanitization procedure has been going through here, so I have not uploaded the video. Anyway, today's video is here. I'm gonna finish here. Take care of the voice change, take them down, try to go through all the problems, try to bring out the problems and send me through your comment box. Okay, take care, goodbye. We are meeting soon again.